All right, what's going on, traders? Today is another update on our US30 Quantum Trading Bot. We have finally crossed over the 1,000% profit on this bot after 2.5 years. Our flagship BA has been running since February of 2023, and you can see here is the bot right now. We started this on the 23rd of February 2023. We are now on the 29th of August 2025, and we have finally hit 1,000% growth rate. It is impossible for this bot to blow any account. It only takes 1 to 3 trades per day, and the maximum risk that you are taking is 0.5% per trade. So if it takes 3 trades and you're risking 1.5%, if it only takes 1 trade, then you're only risking 0.5%, and that is why it is impossible to blow any account. It is also prop firm ready, and it is compatible across all trading platforms, whether it's MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader. And whenever we make any kind of updates to any kind of EA, you will have lifetime access by joining our trading community, and you guys will be able to get any kind of updated EA configurations. We have hundreds of members who are funded across all different prop firms, and just this month, here's the performance for our members: around $250,000 in payouts for the month of August 2025. So our leader right now has gained 21% on his FTMO account, on a 200K account, which equals to about $43,000 in profit. So let's jump right into the weekly results and show you guys how this bot has performed. If I go into the entire period right now, so if I go to entire history and start scrolling all the way down, you can see the profits: $1,036,000, $842.80. The deposit, $100,000, so it has crossed over 1,000%, just like here. It is exactly the same, $1,136,000. So let me go to my phone right now and give you the breakdown for the past week. So if I go to the history, you can see that this is exactly 1 week right now. Starting from the 25th, on the first trade, it actually ended up taking a loss. And then on the second trade, we ended up taking a win. So this is basically a break-even day. We are using 200 lots on this account because the account has grown so much. But let's say that you're using an FTMO account and you're using a $200,000 account. You will not be using 200 lots. You will be using 50 lots. So if you used 50 lots on your FTMO account, then you will be risking $1,000 per trade. So the worst case scenario is that you lose all 3 trades, and that will be $3,000, risking 1.5% that day. However, it is rare that this bot actually takes 3 losses in a single day. So just think of it as you're risking around 1%. So if you're using a $100,000 account, then you'll be using 25 lots. So you will be risking $500 per trade. And then on the 26th, we had 1 win of $8,000. So that was a risk of 1 to 2. It only took 1 trade right there. And then on the 27th, we had a win of $16,000. So a risk of 1 to 3 on this day. So you notice that it only took 1 trade on this day and 1 trade on that day. And then on the 28th, we had 1 losing trade, minus 4,000, and then we had a winning trade of 8,000, and then we had a losing trade of 4,000. This was basically a break-even day as well. And then on the last trading day, on the 29th, 2025, we had a win of $4,000. Bring our weekly profits to $28,740. Not that bad. All you need to do is turn on the bot for about 30 minutes to 1 hour during New York Open to achieve these profits. So let me break it down and show you guys what this would actually mean if you guys were using a smaller lot size. So $28,740. If you used 100 lots, then that would be divided by 2. That would be 14,370. If you guys used 50 lots, then you would have made around $7,185 this week, all hands free. So we had a pretty decent week this week with the US30 trading bot. Not too bad. Bring our total profits right now to $1,136,000. Bring our profits to over 1,000% now. If you guys make any purchase, you will also be added to our VIP trading discussion group. So just this week, 3 of our members were able to secure some payouts. I'm going to show you guys. One from FTMO, $13,000. And then another one from FTMO for $25,000. And then we had a payout from Alpha Capital for about $6,000 as well. Other exciting news is that FTMO now accepts US clients. So if you guys are in the US and want to trade with FTMO, you guys can now trade on FTMO on MetaTrader 5. Make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. We do make weekly updates for our US30 trading bot. You guys can check out all of the US30 videos in our YouTube channel. And if you would like to get started, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your automated trading journey.